Welcome to Workshop Topics. This one is about the Drill Doctor Twist Drill Sharpener. Yesterday, the 5th of January 2021, was my 68th birthday, and this is a birthday cake made for me by my 9-year-old granddaughter Emily. I bought this Drill Doctor as a birthday present from me to me. A viewer recommended it to me a while back, so I watched a couple of videos and I thought, this is good. Plus, I do like American engineering, I must admit. I've always sharpened twist drills by eye, either on the side of a grinding wheel or in recent years on my 1-inch belt sander. But to be honest, I've never been that good at it. The man who taught me how to do it was called Roy Haynes from Leeds, and Roy was an amazing engineer. But I am not, and I do have to practice and work at it. The first thing to come out of the box was the carrying bag. Inside the box on one of the flaps it says hand assembled and quality checked in Ashland, Oregon, USA. The version of the Drill Doctor that I bought had a UK plug fitted, because I didn't want to find out that once I'd bought it, it ran on the wrong voltage. So here it is, the UK plug, for 240 volt operation. Inside the box was also this special C-spanner, obviously for holding the diamond wheel while you change it. So far I'm liking what I'm seeing here. This is the chuck that holds the drill bit in place. This Drill Doctor is the 750X version, and it will sharpen drills from 3/32 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch, perfect for what I need. The parts fit together very well and have a really good feel to them. I'm removing the bottom plate to have a look inside. Here's the diamond wheel, and here is a close-up of the diamond wheel, and these are readily available online as spare parts. It's time to read the instruction manual. I generally don't bother, but I thought I would on this one. The instruction manual is multi-language, very clear and very easy to understand. The Drill Doctor 750X consists of 3 basic parts. The first part on the top allows you to set the position of the drill ready for grinding. The bit on the right-hand side, built into a metal casting, is in my opinion a really good design, and the more I look at it, the cleverer it becomes. Quite unlike some people I've known in the past. That was a politically correct girlfriend joke. Around the other side of the Drill Doctor is an orifice where you can put the drill once you've ground it to create different split points for drilling different types of metal. I've plugged it in, time to turn it on. Yes, that sounds very good to me. A while back I bought a drill sharpener from the centre aisle of a supermarket in England. When I bought it, the intention was to make a video review. I sharpened a few drills, it was very difficult to use, and then it packed up completely. In the end, I threw it in the bin. That was my review. This Drill Doctor 750X was reassuringly expensive, and now as I look at what I've bought, it was worth every penny. The first thing you do is fit your twist drill into the holder. But don't tighten the chuck at this point. Next thing to do is to press the lever on the top to open the clamp arms. Then push the twist drill all the way through against the adjustable stop. Then tighten the chuck to grip the drill and remove the chuck entirely. This is the part of the Drill Doctor where the grinding takes place. You must not be heavy-handed with this operation. Once the chuck is inserted into the hole and rotated, you will notice that it moves back and forth on the cam. And it's most important to let this happen. Do not grip the chuck too tightly, and do not try to influence the way the cam is moving. You don't need to put any downward pressure on the chuck either. Just let the diamond wheel do its work and sharpen the drill. When I was doing this, it reminded me of the wrist action that I would normally use when sharpening a drill on a grinding wheel or a belt sander, but this is much more accurate. I found that the best way to rotate the drill chuck was like this, using 2 hands, very gently, and at a constant slow speed. You can tell by the sound of the unit when the drill grinding is getting close to completion. When the grinding sound more or less stops, you can remove the chuck and have a look at it. Health and safety warning, do not do this. The drill point is extremely sharp. The drill bit looks like new. Here's a close-up of the clever mechanism that allows the drill bit to move over the grinder. After I'd sharpened 2 or 3 drills, I had a look at the residue inside the unit. I replaced the cover and started to sharpen some other drills. Warning though, this is quite addictive. Do not sharpen your drill bits for the sake of sharpening drill bits, even though it's a very satisfying process. What I like about it is how simple it is to use. And here, once again, is another twist drill that once was blunt but now is sharp. Time I think to put the Drill Doctor in its bag and take it up to the workshop. I'm trying to think where I put my box of very old blunt twist drills. Marks out of 10 for the Drill Doctor 750X. Well, for me it's a 10, it's a great piece of equipment. And I bought mine via Amazon UK. I have to go now because I can feel a sharpening frenzy coming on. And that's it for this video. Stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back, making it unnecessary to comment that the videos are too short.